Welcome to the Replacing a Node training module. This video module provides you with the steps necessary for replacing a node from your ZTC Edge environment. Normally, you'll replace a node due to a hardware error that places the node into maintenance mode. You'll see this condition from the dashboard page of the console. If you go to the Physical Machines page, you'll also notice that it's powered off and in maintenance mode. If for some reason your node is not powered off, ensure that it is in maintenance mode and then click on the Shutdown button. Before proceeding, let's look at the virtual machine screen. Notice that if you have more than one VM, there is no load balancing due to the single node. After a successful node replacement, if the system is configured accordingly, the system will automatically load balance the VMs between the nodes. After powering off the node, remove all network cables as well as the power cable from the node. Unpack the new node and reinstall the network cables and power cable. Power on the new node. From this point forward, there is no human interaction required to complete the replacement. You can monitor the progress from the Physical Machines page. After a couple of minutes, you'll notice that the node being replaced will disappear from the Physical Machines page. This indicates the redeployment process has begun, which takes about 20 minutes in its entirety. Please note the process in this video has been expedited. You can also watch the system LED on the front of the replacement node, which will eventually begin slowly flashing. Please be patient during this process. Although there is no indication anywhere on the console screen, and it may appear there's no activity, the installation is proceeding. Please note that if the replacement node has a different operating version than the existing node will automatically apply the correct version to the replacement node, which could add another 20 minutes to the overall process. After about 12 minutes, the replacement node will display in the Physical Machines page in maintenance mode. Then it will eventually go to a running state and sync icons will appear. The sync icon indicates the VM volumes are synchronizing between the existing node and the replacement node. You can view the synchronization process in the volume screen. Please note that sync times will vary based on the size of the VM storage. However, during this time, there is no performance impact on any of your running VMs. When the replacement succeeds, both nodes will be identified and running. And you should have a green check mark with a System is Healthy message. At this point, the replacement of the node is complete. The final step in the replacement process is to run a check license to identify and correct any issues with the new deployment. While you could wait 24 hours for the system to automatically check, if you're connected to the internet, you can check the license immediately. To do so, under Preferences, click on Product License, then click on License Check and Manual Download, and then the Check License Now button. You should see the last check time change to the current time. If this occurs, your replacement and deployment is successful and did not run into any issues. If the check license process fails, there will be no on-screen indication. However, a case will automatically be generated at Stratus, and you will be contacted by a Stratus support engineer. If your system does not have internet connectivity, to check your license, please follow the remote process for checking your license found in the Initially Accessing the ZTC Console training module. This completes the Replacing a Node training module. Thank you for viewing this module.